Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of famous Bengali sweet which is Rasbora or roshbora. This sweet is prepared from semolina and looks like gulab jamun. Let's see how to prepare this beautiful looking sweet. Take 1 cup of semolina in a mixing jar. Add in 1/4 cup of cashew nut. Grind the cashew nuts and the semolina finely in a mixer grinder. Semolina and the cashew nuts is grinded perfectly. Now let's move on to the next step. Heat a non-stick pan and add in 2 teaspoons of ghee. Once the ghee melts, add in the semolina and the cashew nut powder. Saute it for a couple of minutes at low flame. Add in a pinch of salt. Now add in 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of water. Stir in continuously so that no lumps form. Cook it in low flame and you could see the semolina is thickening. Once the mix thickens, add in 1/4 cup of milk powder. Saute it nicely in medium flame. When the semolina thickens and forms a dough, you can switch off the flame. I have transferred this in a bowl and cooled it slightly. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. The original recipe doesn't have baking soda. I found Rasbora so soft when we add baking soda. Cool it slightly and knead the dough. Once it cools down slightly, the dough has thickened. Do not cool the dough completely because we have to make balls and deep fry it. Now divide the dough and shape it into flattened medium-sized balls. The dough will be a little sticky and hence I have applied ghee in my hand. You can make any shape as per your wish. You can also make small cylindrical shape and that also looks good. With this measurement, I am able to make 17 rasboras of this size. Heat sunflower oil in a kadai. Once oil is hot, add in the rasbora. Fry it in medium flame until it turns golden brown color. Use non-stick pan to deep fry it. I use stainless steel kadai and slightly just stick to the bottom of the pan. Previously, I tried it in non-stick pan and that came out perfectly. So don't make the mistake which I made. It has turned golden brown color and remove it. Next, I am going to prepare the sugar syrup. In a pan, add in 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. In goes 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Give it a mix and cook it until the sugar dissolves. Add in a pinch of saffron for extra flavor. I have added little red food color and this is completely optional. We do not need any string consistency. The sugar has melted and it's just boiling. Now switch off the flame. Add the rasboras immediately into the hot sugar syrup. Give it a mix gently like this. The sugar syrup should be hot while adding the rasboras. Cover it and let it soak for 30 minutes. Look at it friends, the beautiful looking roshbora or rasbora is ready to be served now. You can also refrigerate this before serving. This is so soft and tastes delicious. Drizzle some sugar syrup while serving. Well, it looks almost like gulab jamun, but trust me friends, this doesn't taste like gulab jamun. Do try this dessert and share me the feedback. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes like this. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.